Welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we're diving into a classic for photography enthusiasts and beginners on a budget, the Canon Digital Rebel XT DSLR. This renewed old model offers a gateway into DSLR photography without breaking the bank. Check the link in the description for the best price. We'll begin by looking at the core capabilities of this camera, focusing on its imaging power and responsiveness. Despite being an older model, some of its foundational elements still perform admirably for its class and price point. Let's see how it measures up for everyday shooting. This chart highlights the camera's fundamental strengths and its capabilities in capturing images. We're looking at what makes it tick as a photographic tool. The scores reflect its performance relative to its age and category, offering a clear picture of its imaging potential. The 8.0 megapixel sensor delivers sufficient detail for standard prints up to 16 by 22 inches, which is still quite capable for general photography needs. It balances image size with file manageability well. Featuring the DIGIC II image processor, this camera achieves a respectable 3 frames per second for continuous shooting. This speed allows for capturing modest action sequences with clarity. The included Canon EFS 18 to 55mm kit lens offers a versatile focal range, suitable for everything from wide-angle landscapes to tighter portraits. It is a great all-around lens to start. One impressive highlight is the camera's super-fast startup time of approximately 0.2 seconds. You will be ready to snap photos almost instantly, ensuring you rarely miss a moment. Overall, the core performance parts of the Digital Rebel XT are solid for its vintage. It provides reliable image capture and quick operation, forming a dependable base for photography. Next, we'll shift our focus to the practical aspects of owning this renewed Canon DSLR, considering its price, the assurances of its refurbished status, and what features it brings to the table for modern users. Understanding these elements is key for any potential buyer. This section dives into whether the Canon Digital Rebel XT makes sense as a purchase today. We consider its refurbished condition, the price point, and how complete its feature set is for contemporary use. These factors are crucial for deciding if this older model fits your needs and budget. Priced at $168.90 as a certified renewed product, this camera offers excellent value for budget-conscious buyers seeking a genuine DSLR experience. It's a very accessible entry point. As a certified refurbished product, it comes with a 90-day warranty, providing some reassurance for its renewed condition. It reduces the typical risks associated with buying used older electronics. While the camera's core photography features are present, it lacks modern amenities like video recording beyond basic clips, advanced connectivity, or high ISO performance. It is limited by its age. Considering its renewed status and price, the value is strong, though buyers must acknowledge the limitations of its older feature set. It's a trade-off for accessibility. Ultimately, the Canon Digital Rebel XT offers a charming entry point into DSLR photography, especially at its renewed price. It provides a solid foundation with its included lens and fast performance for basic photo tasks. While its older technology limits advanced features and high-resolution output, it remains a fantastic option for learning manual controls and capturing everyday moments. Consider this if you appreciate classic tech and need a budget-friendly camera.